In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Amazon help system using Google. Whether you're trying to troubleshoot a problem, looking for specific information, or just familiarizing yourself with the layout, this guide will walk you through each step. So let's get started. First, open up a web browser on your device and go to Google's homepage. It's always a good idea to start with a widely used search engine like Google to ensure you're directed to the official sites and pages. In the search bar, type in Amazon and press enter. This will bring up a list of links with the official Amazon website typically appearing at the top of the list. Click on this link to open up Amazon's homepage. Once you're on the homepage of Amazon, look towards the top of the page or in the menu for a link labeled Help. Amazon offers a variety of assistance through this section, providing you with answers to common questions and ways to contact their customer service. Clicking on Help will direct you to their comprehensive help page. Here, you'll find a wide assortment of topics that cover numerous potential issues or queries you might have. It can sometimes be overwhelming given the plethora of sections available, but not to worry. You'll want to scan the page for a link or button that says something else. By selecting this option, you're essentially indicating to Amazon that your question or issue may not fall into the predefined categories they've listed. Next, to proceed with your query, you'll need to sign in to your Amazon account. Find the sign-in form where it asks you to enter your credentials. If you're already signed in, you can skip this step, but if not, you will be asked to type in your mobile number or email address associated with your Amazon account. Carefully enter this information into the correct field to ensure a smooth process. After entering your mobile number or email address, click on the Continue button. This will advance you to the next stage where you may be required to input your password to fully access your account. Remember, keeping your login details secure is important for protecting your account and personal information. Make sure you don't save your login details on a shared device, and there you have it. By following these steps, you should be comfortably navigating Amazon's help section and accessing your account without a hitch. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative content.